Monday, December 11th. Saint Damasius the First. Focus. Amazement seized them all, and they glorified God. In accounts of the miracles of Jesus in the Gospels, it is often mentioned that the scribes and the Pharisees were present, giving the impression that they were eager to listen and learn. However, it soon becomes clear that they have come only to catch Jesus saying what was against their scriptures or traditions, and so discredit him. In contrast, it was simple. Those thirsting to hear his teachings and experience his power to heal physical and spiritual ills, they are the ones who are amazed, filled with awe, and glorify God. After all, Isaiah's prophecies are being wondrously fulfilled, and the eyes of the blind shall be opened, and the ears of the deaf unstopped. Even today, we see God's mercy towards the sick, the suffering, and the needy, manifested in so many ways. Do we notice or experience awe in our hearts? Perhaps we tend to take His presence and answer to our prayers for granted. We can truly experience holy awe only when we stop thinking of our own needs and problems and become more aware of those of our neighbors. As we reach out in love, God uses our efforts to work in and for them. The response of God to prayers and intercessions often fills me with awe and thanksgiving and a sense of His majesty. Fruit. The Holy Father's intention for this month is to pray for persons with disabilities.